Welcome to Emily Magical Wonderland. Today we're going to make slime. Let's get started. First you're going to put in all the white glue in the bowl. Wow. I think there's still more. Okay, I think that's enough. Is there still more? Nope. Okay. Then we're going to put in the shaving cream next, all around until it covers all the white glue. You shake it. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we're gonna stir it. It looks so white. Whoa, it's super white. Next, we're going to put in some glitter. You can do any type of glitter. You don't have to do this one. Okay? So now, I'm going to stir it a little more. Then we're going to put in some paint. You can use any color. Like, I'm using pink paint, but you can use any color you want. You don't need to use this paint. Now, after you put in your pink paint, you can mix it after. It looks so pink. I see you guys? Look it. Next, we're gonna put in some liquid thing that smells for slime, and it smells like grape. I'm just going to put in 3 drops, but you can put in 4 or 3. 2, and 1 more drop there. Okay. Our slime's going to smell good. Mix it. It looks like slime. We're going to put in some activator. Okay. I'm going to put it in this pink bottle, little bottle cup. Okay. In the cup. In the bowl. Now let's mix it. It kind of feels like slime. Whoa. I just want it's kind of like slime a little bit. Ooh. It's kind of boring mixing it up, so I'm just going to dig in. Whoa, it's so sticky. Sticky. Whoa. Ooh. Whoa. It's sticky. I don't know how to get this off. This looks like bubblegum slime, right guys? great. I think it is. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get it all out. I'm gonna put the bowl over here. And I'm gonna play with it. This is actually fun. When I'm like done making the slime, I'm gonna like clean my bowl out and then I'm gonna make another slime. So this is gonna be the best day ever. And this is my first video making slime. Well, I haven't even done a video yet. I'm gonna make a bubble one more time and try. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my containers to put in my slime. I'll show you. So it has this on the top and then like these rainbow stars. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, I think this might all fit. Okay, I'm gonna squish it in. I'm gonna make unicorn slime. Okay, it looks like a smoothie with all the stars on it. And I'm gonna close the lid. It's a pretty smoothie. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wash out my bowl, guys, and I'm gonna make another slime. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys, this time I'm gonna making clear glue. Hi guys, I'm back and this time we're going to use the glow-in-the-dark glue. Okay guys, that's how you make slime. Tell me in the comments down below if you want me to make more slime. Bye, subscribe and like and share. Bye. this.